So good morning. Welcome back, True Gardeners. As you can see, we are right back where we belong on our True Gardener channel. I am so excited to share this video with you. I did not think it was coming. As many of you guys knew that we were hacked a couple weeks ago. We had very little hope from what YouTube had said and all the threads and all the correspondence that we were going to cover our channel. It did not look like that was going to happen. However, late yesterday evening, they came through like champs and totally said, okay, we've got it. We've confirmed everything is good to go. You are back live. Your channel is back up and running, and they restored all of our videos. Oh gosh, can you believe, I know you can sense the relief in me, and I am so grateful to be back where we belong on our channel, nestled around with all of our 300 plus videos. So you guys, I could not wait to do this video this morning and share this news with you. YouTube did tell us that because we kind of technically flatlined in the YouTube world for a couple weeks, that the algorithm is probably not going to pick up our channel very well initially. So it might take some months for things to really get going back out there. So I thought I would reach out to my community and ask you guys if you would not mind please going back through the previous videos that we have on this channel and liking if you haven't liked, and putting a comment down in as many of those videos as absolutely possible as you're willing to do. And it could be something really simple like True Gardener, which is my favorite comment of all, or it could be a virtual hug, it could be welcome back, it could be anything. But if you guys wouldn't mind doing that, that lets YouTube know that we are still relevant. They're still pairing us and connecting us with gardeners, and that will help kind of get us from that flatline base back to, oh, this channel is still relevant. So getting us back up and running. So we would so appreciate that, and we cannot wait to create more and more and more content. We have planned on popping out 2 videos every weekend, and we are still going to do that. So we went from once a week to now twice a week, and we got some beautiful videos. Cannot wait to share them with you guys. However, that being said, this very first weekend, it will only be 1 video because we had planned on sharing a video that we had saved from the previous channel, or this channel. Yeah, we had it saved from this channel, and so now it's all getting confusing. And we were going to post it on the new channel, but so obviously we can't post the same video again. So we're just going to have today's video, and we're going to have a beautiful butterfly garden tour that comes out. I believe it's later today. So I cannot wait to share that one with you. But from now on out, we will have 2 videos every single weekend talking about gardening, talking about tropical foliage, things that just do fabulous in our environment, and sharing our garden tours with you guys in hopes that it helps encourage you to get out into your own space and kind of create, combination gardens that you know are going to work. Because I have made, I feel like, all the mistakes in gardening of my 25 plus years as a landscape designer. I have made plenty of them, and we have a tough environment to work in, with our Florida, monsoons and our rains, and then our dry season, and then our just hurricane season, and and our pests and our bugs. We have it all in Florida. We have a wonderful environment to work in, but we have our sets of challenges. So I love to share with you guys things that are just tough, things that'll work its way right through those seasons, just like champs. And that's what this channel is about. And if this has taught us anything, it's taught us to make sure that that's where our focus is in the next phase coming up. We want to make sure that, if you guys are intent on creating that perfect garden for yourselves, that we're going to give you as much information about our zone and the surrounding zones that we can, so that way we can help be a part of that. We can help be a part of not just encouragement, not just visually showing you some pretty landscapes and things like that, but kind of some tools that you can take away. What plant works in what space, what plant groupings work the best together, what they like, what kind of soil conditions, what kind of fertilization, just kind of give you a big debriefing amongst our videos every single weekend to share some of those tried and true plants that really can make it, really going to make you look good out in the garden with very, very little work, especially for our environment. But anyway, getting away from myself. So if you guys will please comment on as many videos as you possibly can, it would truly, truly help us. And then we will see you shortly in an upcoming video that I think you're going to love. Thank you guys so much for being a part of this community, and take care.